Good morning, Sanibonani. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, KZN Podcast. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe. You become a member. It's free of charge. And you press like when we bring you exclusive stories or maybe non-exclusive. But at the end of the day, we bring you news and we bring them goes. So we got an update about Wandi Ndlovu, who is a reality star, opened abe abanye ababogeli nje that we saw changing their lives in front of us, doing a first BBL, and then she went back for a second session and did a bigger BBL, meaning she has the bums for days. And now again, Wandi has been staying in Nigeria for the past 2 years. She left South Africa saying she wants to go pursue her dreams of becoming a porn star and of becoming a porn dancer. I don't know these things that they dance bengono lapha emadongeni. Yes. So that was the purpose of Wandi Ndlovu leaving the country, and then she says she also wants a better future for her parents. So that's when she comes back, she has money, and of course she did that. She went to Nigeria, she changed her body, she afforded the money and everything, and she came back at home to come and renovate her mother's house. Unfortunately, a tragedy happened while she was still here in South Africa. She just arrived a few days ago. So apparently the mother and the uncle got into alteration, and then they fought, and then Wandi and his sister, they went to beat umalume, all trying to revenge for the mother. Unfortunately, the uncle passed away. The uncle died, and they said my uncle died because he was stabbed 3 times. However, the answer says no, the malume did not die because of the 3 amanxeba. Malume died because of the cold, because they left him outside. They were scared to bring him inside. I don't know what they were scared for, to bring somebody inside the house while they're waiting for the ambulance or for the police. And unfortunately, the Malume died. Now, Mwandi, her mother, and his sister were arrested last week, Friday, and of course they had to be left behind the bars because it was the weekend. And then yesterday they were supposed to appear in Katlehong courts, and unfortunately the case was postponed. Oh my goodness, for the 5th of August. And to make things worse, they were then transferred to Sun City Prison. Yo, I'm trying to count 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Where I ain't getting faith, I ibhadile akwazi kubokwalo. So it means now the mother, the 2 daughters, they are now all arrested in Sun City. Imagine with that BBL, imagine with that BAMS. Yo. And this kid Shem just merely came back to come and renovate her mother's house. But then there's like so many stories. Abanye bathi no, Wandi's family has been that kind of a family where they're jealous of each other, so they don't get along anyway. So all of this is happening now because the other aunt is jealous, and something like this was bound to happen. Okay, sharp, I understand. But then they did step the malume, and the malume died. Obviously by mistake. I don't think they were just gonna, go beat the malume with the aim of killing umalume. I doubt. But yeah, it's just so unfortunate. It's just some it's I can't even think about it. First of all, people but nuka. Imagine now you can't even wash it properly, and so much that money that is just wasted now in jail. And smother my baby, and you can't even leave the country. Oh, I was gonna skip the country. I'm sorry. As soon as I realized that Malume died, I was going to skip the country, take a Panoy and leave. Hey man, what they were supposed to leave for real? Why? And just go back to Nigeria and run, just run. They were not going to be able. And also, if my family died and I didn't open the case, why are they arresting me? Why can't other family members go and say, we're saying let them go? Oh, anyway, I'm just traumatized on behalf of Wanti. I'm traumatized. One day in jail feels like 130 years. Now imagine, oh, okay. It's not looking good. It's not good. They are currently in Sun City. So we will hear again on Monday. Sorry, on the 5th of August, if they're being granted bail, yes or no. In the meantime, please make sure you subscribe, you like, and you do the rest. Thank you. So one of the siblings, that's exactly what happened. She explains that the uncle was coming from work and he was playing music. Wendy's mom asked the other one to say, hey, please let him, tell him to lower the volume. And Malume said no. And then Wendy's mom went. And then obviously then they fought. And then Malume decided to use a golf stick to hit Wanda's mom, and Wanda's mom went back in the house beaten, and Wandi and her younger sister Ndomfutu went to Malume's house, and nobody knows exactly who stabbed Malume. But today they were called a police station. Looks like they have been released because Wandi has been seen at the end of the day updating his status. So Abantuge now they are blaming the Nigerian boyfriend. They're like, hey, maybe it's insurance, blah 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 blah. We actually do not know what happened exactly. We know what happened. We know that somebody died, and we know that it's Malume, it's Wandi's uncle, but we do not know if it was a purpose or what, or they covered Malume or whatever the case it is. All we know the fact that Wandi stays in Nigeria right now, and then she just came, to have fun, whatever the case is. She came to build or renovate the house for their mother, and this happened. Anyway, make sure please you press like and you follow us.